Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our OV2 side steps. We've taken the best of a tubular step and a running board and combined those for the OV2. Constructed of an 1 3/4 frame capped with a solid steel dimple dyed surface. The dimple dyes are not only a design feature, but they also offer increased traction and allow for water and debris to pass right through for easy cleanup. With over 6 inches of stepping surface that not only gives you great looks, but also lasting durability. And of course, the OV2s come with a durable black textured powder coat. Solid steel construction, solid steel bracketry mounting to the truck provide confidence underfoot every time you step. They pair perfectly with all of our front and rear bumper options to make sure that they look like an integrated part, not a tacked on afterthought. So if you're looking for a unique step option for your truck, something that gives you plenty of stepping surface and style, check out the OV2 side steps, available today at roughcountry.com.